Hello everyone, okay, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix any unresponsive button on any device which uses this rubber button, such as remote, a wireless telephone, and stuff which uses this kind of button over here. So basically I often have this kind of problem, which when I try to press any button, it doesn't work. So I need to press harder and then it will work. So I will show you how to fix this kind of problem here in this video, so keep watching. And yeah, so let's get straight to it. We need to remove the battery first. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, there you go. So I'm going to remove this battery. Okay, well basically we need to open up everything. Okay, so basically I managed to open half of this thing, and what we need to do is we just need to remove this rubber button inside here. So just pull it out, and yes, that's the thing that we need to do. We need to clean this black section here using a cotton swab with alcohol, or if you don't have any alcohol, you can just wipe it using any kind of oil. So I'm going to use this baby oil, and also using this cotton swab here. Okay, so let's do it. Take one. Make sure not too wet, because we just want to clean the button, not to make it wet. So you just like that, very light. Just dab it like that. Yeah, make it clean. See that black one on the cotton swab? So basically it is a dirt and dust that covers the contact between this button and that board. So basically it limits the function of the telephone. Yeah, just wipe it like that. Also for this button. And this one. Okay. So clean all of the button here. And I'm going to fast forward this process. Okay, so we have finished cleaning every set of button here. So what we need to do next is we need to clean this particular contact board. You can see there. So I need to wipe every section of this button here. So let's do the same thing. Wait, okay, just like that, and start cleaning just like that. Alright, that's it. So let's put it back on its place. Yeah, slide it in just like that and press it down. Okay, so let's test it out. Okay, now I've put the battery back and now it's the moment of truth. So let's test this button. Now it's working. Yeah, that's it. So now it's already fixed. You can do this to any kind of remote or any kind of device which uses this button. So I hope you do enjoy watching my video. If you do, please leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.